Hello, so here's the two LGT sabers I purchased from LGT store, Aliexpress. And if you see here, the cord provided into the charging port, it will say charging, and it will work as it is supposed to, and it blinks. This is the neopixel Revan saber, and the core has been taken out. If you put the battery in, it still has some charge.
You will be Empress. We will be one.
So it will have some kind of ignition that the battery is in. So everything is pulled up, and this cord is all the way in as far as it can go. All the way in. No charging sound, no lights lit up, and it is not charging. And that is in as far as it can go. With no charging indication. No charging indication like this one does. So this core has an issue where it won't light up or doesn't say charging, but it does acknowledge that the battery went in. So this connection is good. Something is not charging in the charging port.